The Australian kookaburras in the background. Sin is degenerative. It erodes all things good. In some cases instantly, in others micro-incrementally. One thing's for sure, sin is going to destroy whatever it can, however it can, whenever it can, whether you're aware of it or not. The problem with sin is many of us are aware that it's there. We know it's there. And we know that we are falling prey to it by the way in which we behave, the things that we do to ourselves, and the results that we get in our mental health and physical health. And a lot of our mental health and physical health is consequential to the sinfulness, not only of ourselves, but the people around us as well. Sin just destroys everything around it as quickly as it can. Sin's like walking a dog without a leash. The dog's relatively obedient while there's no other dogs around. But as soon as another dog comes into the fray, you lose the obedience of the dog, usually, to some extent, that's not on the leash. Now, whether the dog is supposed to be on the leash or not is your prerogative. But one thing is for sure, if the stars align in a certain way, if situations align in a certain way, and the dog, by way of its own nature, disobeys the boundaries that it's been given to walk off the leash, you will pay a price, and that's how sin works. Sin has a price that we have to pay for falling prey to it. It's just how it works. The consequences of sin are expensive. There's no cheap way of doing it. Now for the dog, it could be just running up and smelling another dog that's on a leash, and you get the raise of an eyebrow of the owner of the dog on the leash, or words are said. But on the other hand, the dog could run out under a truck and die. This is how sin works. It has similar measures of its similar diverse measures of consequences when we find ourselves in it or on the end of it. So is sin a personality disorder? No, it's a universal humanity reality. We all have sin. And at some measure or another, we all fall short. Fall short of what? Of goodness. Because sin is in our blood. It's not what we do or don't do. It's a part of us. And there's only one way out of it. And that's to surrender to the Lord Jesus Christ. The journey is a journey of faith and surrender and rest. A journey of giving in and saying, God, I believe what your Son did on the cross. And I surrender that and ask your Spirit, as you have promised, to lead me and guide me for the rest of my life.